Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install the Powertank Monster Valves. So Powertank sent me these awesome Monster Valves. These are the Monster Valve 4s. They're specifically made for the KMC Wheels that have the dual valve stem holes. So like this one, these are the machetes, so they have the dual holes. So these are very easy to install. All you do, you take this collar off of the monster valve. So the rubber gasket will go in there first. These can be a little bit of a pain to feed through. But that inside first. Then what we're going to do, take the monster valve, feed that through. So that sits all the way in. Then you take this little brass collar, that just screws in from the back side. Now, Powertank includes this little bit here, this little special bit. You just use that on the back. Okay. And once that's tight, now your monster valve is installed. Get off, pull it right up. Ready to go. Easy as that.